collection. So much hair. Okay, let's start. So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, today's video is basically gonna be about my hair, the only. Okay, so I installed my hair a couple of days ago. If you can't tell, this is crochet, you know. I did an invisible part. Obviously you can tell this. You see how like it looks like it's coming out of my scalp? I think you guys can see it. You see how it looks like it's coming out of my scalp? Yeah. Okay. That was me. Anyway, I'm just joking. So I purchased the hair at my beauty supply store. This is a 18-inch Brazilian blowout. That's the name of it. I'll also insert a clip of like me sitting down and actually about to install the hair with also my natural hairs and stuff, so you guys could see it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm going to braid my hair. Didn't show you guys how the hair is supposed to look like. It's called Dominican blowout straight. It's the 18 inches. So this is how it looks like. It's in the color 1B. It says that you can actually curl it. Heat resistant fiber, safe up to 400. Not even 400. We'll see about that. It's a cheap hair, so obviously like sometimes with cheap hair they say, oh, heat resistant 400. The next thing you know, when you put that iron, it's gonna light up. So hopefully I don't have that problem. So basically this little clip is basically I was sitting down, I was like, before I kind of like did my pattern and stuff. I usually do my pattern like that just because I feel like it's kind of easier to have that type of hairstyle. Like if you're trying to have a middle part, it kind of looks more natural if I do it like this. So what I usually do is I do like kind of 4 braids in front, 2 go this way, 2 go that way. I have I think 3 braids going this way, 3 braids going that way. The reason why I have 3 braids going this way is just because like it helps me with my edges and stuff. So I feel like when you have cornrow going all the way in your back, it kind of like you pulling your edges. So if you're trying to save your edges, you know, make your braids go this direction instead of like going all the way in the back. Yes, and then the rest of my hair, oh yeah, the back of my hair, I also make it going this way instead of like just keep continuing going all the way in the back, just because my edges, not my edges, basically the hair at the end of my the back of my hair, I'm really not trying to lose any edges or any like hairline or any hair from the back. So for me to protect it, I kind of have to braid it that way. But this hair is 18 inches. I'm like 5'7", I don't know, around that, and it's kind of long. See, it stopped like right here. I didn't cut the hair. The only thing I cut is like over here. I think I have a few layers and stuff, just a little bit. I do feel like I want to add more layers just so it could frame like my face better. The hair, it's inexpensive hair, so it will tangle. Like I hear when people say, does the hair tangle? It doesn't tangle as much as like crazy to a point where it's like, oh my gosh, this is crazy, like I can't even like untangle it or whatever. The thing you have to do, the thing that I do is every day when I like brush my hair, I just like I have like patience since I have natural hair anyway, so I just like, you know, if I see a knot here, I will just like slowly, it doesn't really knot, it's just more tangle a little bit, so I'll just like slowly one by one take it out and stuff. Oh, that's the hair curl. So on the package, it will say that it does take heat up to like 400 and stuff, But what I will say is I did not try flat iron it. I did try, like, I have this brush, like a heated brush. It's kind of like flat iron, but not really. It did flat iron, but I feel like if you go like around 400, because my temperature was around like 325, 330, and it didn't burn the hair. But I feel like if you go like more than that, your hair might burn, so be careful. But this hair is very puffy. I bought like 6 packs, and then I used 5 packs and a half. But the hair is a lot. At first, when I was getting it and when I was buying it, each pack kind of have like 20 to 25. When I was getting the hair, I was like, oh my gosh, it's not gonna be enough, because it's just like, because it's already pre-crochet hair. So I was like, oh, it's not gonna be enough. But the hair is puffy, so once you start, like, really don't put it very close, because if you do, you're gonna end up having like your hair is gonna be way too much. It's gonna be way too puffy. Unless you like it like that, do you, boo boo. But it is a little bit puffy, especially it's like summertime. I'm not trying to have like, yeah, I was gonna say I'm not trying to be like Wendy Williams, like, you know, but I'm not trying to have no heat flash or nothing and stuff. So, but the hair is puffy, so when you're putting it, skip, you know, roll, and like, because you're gonna have a lot of hair that's gonna cover it up and stuff. And also what I do is I did middle part, invisible part all the way over here, because it looked more natural like that. Before, I used to do invisible part only over there, then the rest I just like normal crocheted and stuff. Anyway, if you have a question regarding, you know, this beat face and also what I'm wearing on my lips, I will have the video down below. Okay.